Everyone says, just love yourself, but no one talks about how easy it is to hate your reflection and scroll past perfect faces online. But hey, I've got you covered. First, never accept yourself. Tell yourself you'll feel beautiful when you lose 10 pounds, when your skin clears up, when you finally fit into that dress. Wait for that magical day when you're good enough. Spoiler, it never comes. Next, stay around people who never hype you up. Stick with friends who gossip, compare, and secretly hope you don't glow up. If your circle doesn't make you want to be better, congratulations, you'll never have to change. And don't forget, let social media run your life. Obsess over likes, comments, and strangers' opinions. Worry about being cringe or not fitting in. Because nothing kills your confidence faster than living for someone else's approval. And if you really want to stay stuck, make excuses. I'm too busy. I'm not pretty enough. Girls like me don't get opportunities. Repeat them until you believe them. That way, you'll never risk rejection, but you'll never grow either. Here's the truth. The only thing stopping you is the story you keep telling yourself. Ready to rewrite it? Follow for more real talk because you deserve better.